Know the key benefits of electric heat. When customers ask why they should choose electric heat, it's your chance to highlight the benefits that make King electric heaters a smart, reliable solution. First, electric heat is 100% efficient. Every watt you put in turns directly into heat with no fuel waste or venting needed. Second, electric heaters are safe and clean. No combustion means no fumes, no carbon monoxide, and no vent pipes to install or maintain. Third, electric heat is quiet and low maintenance. With fewer components than fuel-burning systems, there's less that can break down. Most electric units just need an occasional dusting or a visual check every year. Fourth, electric heaters are easy to install and zone. You can heat just the rooms you need, helping save energy and money. Finally, electric heat is versatile. King Electric offers a wide range of products for everything from small bedrooms to large warehouses. These benefits make electric heat a clean, convenient, and cost-effective solution, something you can confidently recommend to your customers every time.